Hey, back at the bus, Barnabas today, talking water inlet. So basically that's, how you connect your outside fill or city water to either your pump or into your storage tank. So I had to do some trimming on the inside because we were putting it on the lower panel here between these two rub rails. We could have done it up here too, that was an option, but we planned to put wood paneling up in there, and it might be a little bit more of an annoyance to, get the wood framed out, templated out for this, and then have to pull this back out and then put it on. So I figured we'd go with this. So I did a little cutting on the inside for the lower portion, just because it was a channel. We don't know exactly what technically it's the chair rail for all the seats, but we pulled them all on anyway. So went with the Sawzall. I'm sorry, not the Sawzall. Sawzall would have been good, but I had an angle grinder, so I had the cutting wheel on the angle grinder. Basically, after I measured everything based on the inside dimension. And then just using this Job Max, whatever this rigid is called, I don't know what it's called, but use that to, just help trim some things out in the corners that I can't get to. It's got a lock to protect anyone from poisoning your water reservoir, but also so the doors, you don't have to worry about the door always flopping open. So it's got the, that's the fill. That goes directly to your clean water, and then there's, with the screen, that's your city water, so that applies pressure. And then there's also the little vent hose, all standard stuff. There's also this little panel that you can take out should you want to put some crazy thumb security system in there, but that's way overkill for us. So that's pretty much it. Got a little more trimming to do, and she should fit. And then once it fits snugly in, you'll see there's these little screw holes. That's how you'll attach this box to there. But there's also like a putty tape. It's almost like a plumber's tape that will go around the edge here, which will help seal it, as well as seal the screws when the screws go through. Okay. So I did a little more trimming. Things are a little snug, notched out for this little vent. That's the air, so this doesn't collapse. Anyway, if you're watching this, you know what that's for. So basically now, goes in, nice and flush. Bingo, bango, bango.